Hey guys, welcome back. So I have another video coming to you guys. This time I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved a sleek ponytail on my client that is natural. We're going to be using 2 bundles of my Peruvian Bombshell Wave, and we're going to give her a high sleek ponytail for her prom. I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. So I always start off by shampooing my clients. So right here I'm simply drying her hair off, getting the excess moisture off, applying my heat protectant. I also use a leave-in conditioner. I didn't get that in this clip. And then now we're going to section and detangle her hair. If you guys would like to see a video on how I detangle my clients' hair that are natural, leave that down in the comments and I'll be sure to get that to you. So now we're just going to blow dry her hair. I already sectioned it, as you can see, and detangled it, which makes it a lot easier when blow drying. So let's just go ahead and skip through this part.
Bricks on the beat.
Look at all this beautiful hair. Her hair is so gorgeous. So now what I'm doing is I'm going in at her roots with the blow dryer. I took the detachment off, and I'm basically making sure that her roots are dry, her scalp is dry, and that's it. So now I'm going to start pressing out my client's hair, and as you'll see, I use different techniques for different sections of the hair, so just keep watching. You guys remember when your moms or your grandmas used to have to use these on like Easter Sunday when you were little? Girl, you'd be hopping and popping in a chair. You were so scared to get burned, but I literally use these every day, and I remember I was so scared when I first started using them, but over time you definitely get the hang of it. If you don't have experience with a hot comb, I definitely wouldn't suggest doing this. You can burn your hair, you can burn your scalp, you can burn someone else's hair. So you definitely want to make sure you know what you're doing if you're using a hot comb. If not, go ahead and replace it with a flat iron. There is nothing wrong with a flat iron. I personally just prefer to use a hot comb. So now that we have her hair all pressed out, straightened and everything, we're going to start getting her ponytail popping. So, we're going to lay the edges, get the ponytail slicked back. Well, her ponytail is going to be at the top of her head, so we're going to get her ponytail slicked up, and then we'll get into the bundles. So my backup phone died as I was doing the ponytail, and that's what I record off of. So I had to charge it. I have footage of me styling the ponytail, but I'll be sure to get another video up of me actually doing the ponytail. So the
on the
style
beat.
she was going for was a curly ponytail. So what I'm really doing here is just sectioning off the hair, and I'm going in and curling each piece of hair to give her a full, cute, bouncy, curly ponytail. And you kind of want to do the curls going in opposite directions so that it makes the ponytail look a little fuller. I don't mean to brag, but these curls are poppin', honey, okay? Poppin'.
Bricks on the beat.
So now what I'm doing here is I'm taking a piece of hair from the top and I'm gonna wrap that around the base of her ponytail so that you don't see any tracks. You want to cover it up for it to look as natural as possible. And yes, we're going to use a whole lot of hairspray because we need this to stay because she's going to prom.
Bricks on the beat.
She looks absolutely gorgeous and she's ready to go to prom. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and check out my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye.